Electronics and water don't usually mix, but when they do, the results can be pretty impressive. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into our list of 10 underwater gadgets you can buy online. Number 9. Suunto D4i Novo Dive Computer. If you're an experienced diver, you probably know how many calculations go into every single dive. The Sunto D4i Novo is ideal for immensing yourself within the depths of the sea. It features optional wireless integration for monitoring your current cylinder pressure and remaining air time. They come in a variety of colors, with a comfortable and flexible silicone strap, allowing a perfect fit to the wrist. It has a free dive mode and is also nitrox compatible, which allows you to maximize your dive time. The dive computer also features an audible diving alarm, where you can set an alarm to indicate the depths. You can get them for $300. With this gadget, you can spend more time enjoying the experience and less time working out the optimal timings or worrying about your air supply. Number 8. Dive Luxe Snorkel Mask. Unfortunately, many snorkeling masks have the same drawbacks that can ruin the experience for many beginners and even experienced snorkelers. There is nothing worse than going snorkeling with a mask that is uncomfortable, like water getting into the mask, water getting into the breathing tube, and the mask fogging up. The Dive Luxe Snorkel Mask solves the issues plaguing many other masks to give you the most hassle-free snorkeling experience. It is made of liquid hypoallergenic silicone and polycarbonate plastic of the highest quality and has been built to prevent water entering inside. The fogging issue is solved with 2 separate breathing chambers for your nose and mouth, and it also lets you dive up to 10 feet without having to worry about water getting into your nose or mouth. You can get these at the price of $40. If you're someone that wants to see what the underwater world has to offer, but hate the restrictive style of the usual snorkel mask, then the Dive Luxe Snorkel Mask is the mask for you. Number 7. The Mare's Avanti Quattro Plus Fin. Unfortunately, a man is not capable as fishes in the water, but they sure have made equipments which is as quite efficient, and that's when the scuba fins come. The Mare's Avanti Quattro fins build upon the recognition, reliability, and strength of the standard Quattro model with a new blend of high-flex materials for increased efficiency. They are a great way to spice up your swimming experience, with it being highly functional and fashionable. The anatomical foot pocket conveys more power to the blade and ensures speed and easy propulsion when gliding through the water. Its interior features internal ribbing that improves fit, eliminates foot suction, and prevents foot pocket flexing. Also, it only takes one quick movement to easily open or close these buckles, even when wearing thick neoprene gloves. These fins are one of those things you usually didn't realize you needed until you got them. You can get it at an approximate value of $100. As far as underwater gadgets go, they're one of the coolest products on the market. Number 6. Power Breather. Diving down is challenging with the air-filled mask. Wish you had a superpower? Well, now you do. Given your superhuman powers, this incredible piece of equipment allows you to actually breathe while swimming underwater without having to turn your head and gasp for air. The Power Breather brings fresh air from both the top tubes and exhales your CO2 from the bottom. Uses a membrane system to prevent water from getting in, making swimming in rough water or waves ideal. These gives a clear view and won't wobble. It features a twist lock system that could fit literally anyone. They come in 4 different editions and it starts at $99. You'll end up finding yourself lost deep in thought and reach that runner's high and keep swimming on. Number 5. Quattro V6 Underwater Drone. Surfing is an excellent experience, and it gets even better with capturing those experiences underwater. But what if you couldn't dive into some waters? Going any deeper than the limits of our bodies would require a submarine, which isn't exactly the most affordable piece of equipment. But the Quattro V6 Underwater Drone will give you the flexibility of exploring marine environments like no other way. It's capable of recording 4K video in low light and also has 6 propellers arranged in a way that will make steering the drone in any direction a breeze. Imagine if you could look through the lens of its camera and see what the camera sees at the same time. Well, guess what? The drone comes with a VR headset and lets you do just that. With the included virtual reality headset, You can even control the rove's movements intuitively by turning your head. How cool is that? These are for $1,600, but worth the price. Get ready to see the breathtaking ocean from a sea creature's perspective and explore marine spaces without diving into deep waters remotely. Number 4. AirBuddy Tankless Dive System. You can now experience the weightless feeling without carrying heavy air-filled tanks on your back. AirBuddy is the ultimate grab-and-go answer for recreational diving. It is the smallest and lightest diving gear at the moment, and it fits in your bag, making it perfect companion for your travels. The system options a unique tankless design with a floating air compressor and a chargeable battery, letting users dive at depths of up to 12 meters for up to 45 minutes. Unlike devices that store a limited amount of air, AirBuddy provides you with continuous air from the surface, doubling the dive depth and duration. You can expect unrivaled subaquatic adventures with the amalgamation of the ease and simplicity of snorkeling with the thrill of diving for $1,445. Number 3. The Yamaha 500 Li Sea Scooter. Sea scooters are some of the coolest underwater gadgets on the market. The Yamaha Lee Series Sea Scooter is an awesome tool that helps you move underwater and will enhance your diving and snorkeling adventures by seeing more and doing it with less effort. Reaching a maximum cruising speed of 4.35 miles per hour, you will be rapidly flowing through the water. The compact design weighs just 5 kilos, making it easy to carry around. It contains a self-filling ballast hull to achieve neutral buoyancy almost instantly. Once you get the hang of it, you will enjoy how it lets you kick back and let the underwater scooter do the work for you. It also comes with multiple safety features such as auto shutoff and a dual trigger operation. If you want to spend more time enjoying diving and less time getting to the spot where you want to do it, then this sea scooter at the price of $545 is just what you need to make the most out of your next diving experience. Number 2. Campark X20 Camera. Many incredible sights can be seen below the surface of the water, like the exotic fishes swimming or the sprawling life on the sea floor. You need the right waterproof equipment that'll help you to take your photography on adventures to places other cameras can't reach. And this is where the Campark X20 comes in. The Campark X20 lets you take photos up to 20 megapixels with 4K and up to 30 frames per second recording. The focus and detail is high quality. With the waterproof case, you can dive up to 30 meters deep, and its built-in electronic image stabilization makes it an excellent choice to shoot fast-moving objects by preventing pixelization, blurriness, or distortion. Your action shots would come out better. The adjustable 170-degree wide-angle lens enables you to capture wider angles to see 3 different angles, including wide, middle, and narrow. You can use the remote-controlled wristband in conjunction with the built-in Wi-Fi to control the camera. It also comes with 2 rechargeable 1050 mAh batteries and a charging lead, though it doesn't come with a charging dock, so make sure to get one. The battery life depends on usage. A plus point is the number of accessories that comes with it, including 2 rechargeable 1040 mAh batteries, a remote control wristband, the waterproof case, a bicycle mounting kit, a helmet mounting kit, and a compatible USB cable. At just $70, you get many amazing features that make it worth the price. You can capture crystal clear footage every time you explore with the Campark X20 underwater camera. Number 1. The Zyak Sea Sled. Snorkeling is fun, but dealing with the equipment can dampen the enjoyment. What if you could see the underwater without the masts and tubes? These Zyak Sea Sled kickboards have been carefully designed to let you scan the ocean or even a pond through its hard plastic viewing windows. It provides a panoramic view of undersea life without the need to submerge your face in the water. The board tapers to 18-inch wide at the shoulders and has molded handles attached to the bottom and front, which makes it easy to paddle with the arms and easy transport. The kickboard is ideal for those who aren't comfortable wearing masks and snorkels. Having a deep view of the oceanic creatures is now just one kickboard away at $295. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, World Technology, for more videos and ring the notification bell for more techie contents. Catch up with you guys later.